this video, I'll be showing you how to add a caption to an image in Notion. Captions serve as a helpful tool for providing additional content or description to an image. They allow you to add text directly below an image to explain its content, provide context, credit the source, or add any relevant information. Captions can enhance the overall understanding and clarity of the image, making it more informative and accessible for viewers. Additionally, captions can be useful for organizing and categorizing images within your Notion pages, especially when dealing with multiple images or when collaborating with others. To add a caption, simply hover on the image and click the third icon located on the top right of the image. This is the caption icon. Then, type in your text. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.